As the relaying of the National Stadium track moves full steam ahead, the idea of the track being redone in the Jamaica national colors, I think, is a good one. That black, green, and gold design, it should have an aesthetic buzz about it. Quite appropriate given that this is still the National Stadium. And it is still a multi-purpose facility that hosts a variety of local, national, and international events. So while the completion in time for champs is still a race against time, there is no even more anticipation with the track taking on the national colors. Ideally, we really should be pushing for a brand new state-of-the-art facility to replace the 60-odd-year-old stadium. But we're reasonable, we're not greedy. For the time being, let us work with some basic but consistent maintenance of what we have. Jamaica's sporting mecca, the National Stadium, national colors and all.